Hi everybody, welcome in today. I just a movie. How do we just go?
Are you right here?
Wow, I love my makeup. Now I'm almost ready for prom.
Where's the ball?
Near the balls, near the art near the recording studio. How about we just bake cupcakes on before the balls? We'll just take a shower. This is distracting. The music's distracting. Because YouTubers do not play with music, very high music covers. I'm just gonna, after the ball, I'm going home. Oh my god! What the heck? Hey, is anybody in there? Oh god, nobody's in there. Everything's occupied. We're just chilling. I'm just gonna go home. This is not working out for me. I'm just gonna take all this stuff off. This is not what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna put on my peasant outfit again. And I'm just gonna go put my hair back on. I'm just gonna be stuck with the miserable peasant for the rest of my life, and I'm really poor. Guess I'm a peasant for the rest of my life. But I had to be stuck with this. I'm just gonna go home. This is not working out.
Wait, you're poor in this game?
I guess I'm just gonna go home. I'm leaving. I'm just gonna go take the bus home. This is not working out. I guess nothing worked out. I looked popular, and now I'm just gonna look separate and look sad. I'm just gonna go home. I'm leaving. I'm not going. My mom told me not to go to that ball, and I shouldn't have listened to her, and I shouldn't listen to her. But my stepmom said that I should not go. And she said that I have to return home soon. That's why I had work. I'm just gonna go home. It's not working out for me anymore, so I'm just gonna go home. Bring me there. Where did I be there? Just go home. Please take me home, everybody. We're just gonna have to pause this video for now. Then we're just gonna go do it in Bloxburg. everybody, I'm back. And today, my mom told me not to go to here, to go to that. Guess I was just gonna be a miserable peasant of my life. I should have listened to my mom when she told me not to go. We're just gonna do this to 3 o'clock. Then we're just gonna go to sleep. This is the worst weekend I've ever had. I guess this is not a good place. Okay, I'm just gonna everybody, welcome back. Today we are at New City. This is the worst weekend ever. We're gonna go cook some dinner, okay? I don't want dinner. Well, we always have to go with the boring stuff. This is so boring. Will you be quiet, Mia? You're not helping. All we have to do is just go over the riverside. Ugh, that's not fair. Mia, stop it now. This is not getting a big deal. This is not such a big deal. This is not what you're going to do right now. You are going to stop that attitude now. Now quit that attitude and get ready to go to bed now. Because it's almost time for dinner. Disobedient kid. What is so wrong with me? Why is she so disobedient? Why can't my kid behave?
She's your kid. I thought she was your pet.
Girl is gonna get it for life. If she doesn't stop this attitude, how about just be mad? I'm just gonna stop being mad, and how about just be happy that we have life now? Mia, are you done yet? I didn't tell you to go to bed yet. I told you to get ready for bed. Now let's go. Okay. Life is so boring. Everything's so boring. You think so? Mia? Mia, where are you? Get back here. Right now.
Wait, what time is it?
Let's go. I don't know. What? They don't show it. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock now. Get up. What time is it? When is my bedtime? Your bedtime is 9 o'clock. Now get up. You're gonna get ready for bed. Your bedtime is 9 o'clock.
That's my bed.
Ugh. Fine. Don't you give me that attitude. Do not give me that attitude, Mia. Will you stop spilling water everywhere, Mia? I shouldn't have put it in your room. Then I wouldn't have to do this to you. Anyway, let's go eat dinner. It's burnt now. Thanks a lot, Mia. Now it's almost burnt. Oh, I like it. I'm ready to go home. Get ready. Get ready now. Get ready. We have to sit down, Mia. It is not. It is not my time. It is time to get ready to go to bed. Your bedtime is 9 o'clock. I cannot believe I'm doing this. You are grounded for keep it up. Well, do your homework tomorrow. Okay. I cannot understand you right now, Mia. We are gonna have to have a talk. Okay, we can just have a talk later. Please? No! Now go to bed! Oh, I hate the gym. Oh, I hate gym's boring.
Do we have to go? Do we have to go to the gym?
Oh, I hate the gym. Gym's boring. I really hate the gym.
If Billy isn't gonna be there, I'm not going.
That's not really fun anymore. It's so boring. Oh, sunglasses. I'm just gonna wait for the sun to rise. Okay, we're outside. This beautiful sunny day. You're coming with me this time. Okay, I'm here. I'm here, Mom. I'm here. Stop it. Quit jumping around and quit folding. You better stop it right now, Mia. This is not joking, and this is not a game. Oh, come on. I'm going home. No, it is morning and it's 7 o'clock. Your school. Get up. School sucks. Don't dare say that. School is awesome. It's for you to learn.
Wait, you're carrying her?
Now get up. Ow! Hey! Don't carry me like that. I'm not a baby.
What did she say?
Will you stop it, Mia? You are not helping, and you better stop it
And you
now.
are what? And you are what?
Being a bad kid.
And you had to do, what is 2 plus what?
Now, we're getting ready. It's nighttime. Thanks a lot.
Time for bed.
Will you be quiet now?
Did you buy the castle?
No, I didn't buy it yet.
Yeah, let's go home.
Let's go home now.
And time to eat our dinner.
Dinner time.
Say no, Santa.
It's 6 o'clock. Get ready. Bedtime's at 9.
Because can you get a mad expression?
Can we go?
Anybody
Ugh,
Is
fine.
Danny naughty? Pretend she made the babies. What?
Do you like my
Fine.
creations?
Okay, we're taking the baby.
Do you like my park?
Yeah, it's cool.
Wait,
Have
do you have
fun.
two? Do you have 2 kids?
I have 3.
Say go to sleep, everyone. Say,
Go to kids. Go to sleep, kids. I'll
Say,
be
I'm
back.
mad at you. Get a mad expression at her.
Is Mia the oldest?
Mia, get up.
It's time for dinner.
We're gonna go out. Yay!
Say, she said boring. She said in her voice.
Ugh, I don't wanna go out. It's not fair, but I don't have to go outside. This is fair.
I'm
It's not-
sorry.
It is 5 o'clock right now.
Say it is 5:59.
5:59.
Dinner is at 6. Say, oh, it's dinner time.